What up with you folks? Today I'm meeting up with a buddy of mine. His name is Kevin. He's riding a Husqvarna 4.1 Svartpilen or Svartpilen, or I don't know how you say it, bro. Can't Scandinavian. Anyway, we'll call it the Husky 4.1. We'll take a closer look at that later. We are riding up to Neptune's Net, up the PCH. If you're not familiar with Neptune's Net, they make a mean sandwich. Greasy as hell, but delicious. And there were a couple of some iconic moments from Fast and the Furious were filmed there, and it's just like a legendary kind of car and bike meetup. It's got ocean views, beautiful spot. Let's get this thing going. Looks like the net is packed. Holy smokes. So Kevin and I are going to find some parking. We're going to get some food. In the meantime, check out his bike. So we just had some delicious ass hamburgers at Neptune's Net, and Kev's bike is pretty cool. It's got a lot of nice little details on it, and I hope you enjoyed some of the scenery. We got a lot of surfers out there. Got a little bit of cloud cover now, but absolutely beautiful ride. If you found anything that you like to see or that you want to see more of here, definitely subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of Kev's bike, and listen, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you soon.